hôm nay đi tour nha, chuẩn bị lên xe. Chuẩn bị file lên tour xe. Ok. Yes sir.
Yes sir.
As a realtor in Florida, and
Ok, anh em chúng tôi chuẩn bị đi du ngoạn vùng núi.
very smart girl, very smart.
Xe đi du ngoạn vùng núi nha. Ok. Trời đang mưa nhưng mà giờ mua tích kịch rồi, giờ phải đi lên núi thôi. Okay.
Right.
Đây,
That's why I moved up
10
here.
người chia ra 5 người một xe.
I have a 13-year-old daughter, and the schools in Florida were getting really bad. So
Xe
I
trước
moved
5
up
người,
here.
xe sau 5
They
người.
had 35 to 40 students per teacher, and there's a lot of shootings and everything. So we moved up here where it's safer.
Quay vô đây xíu nè.
Đây.
He's a YouTuber.
Yeah, he always
So they ran down the mountain and called for help, and the Forest Service said, "Well, we're going to let it. We haven't had a controlled burn there in a while. We're going to let it burn." And a controlled burn is where they burn all the underbrush and all the leaf litter and everything, so they don't have a real bad fire whenever it does ignite. And they said they thought that they hadn't had the control. They probably just went and put the fire out, but they didn't. So as the fire started building, the Forest Service realized it was going a little bit faster than they were expecting. So they went ahead and started a back burn. In other words, you got your fire here, and they wanted to start this woods on fire and burn it back to the original fire. So it burns up all the fuel, and it puts both fires out because there's nothing to burn. Well, when they started this fire, we got a windstorm, a real bad one. And we get them here all the time. We had one a little bit earlier, but this windstorm kicks in, and when it married up to the flames, it started going up to about 80 miles an hour. So it started picking up the embers from the first fire and bringing them over to the next ridge and dropping it off and setting those on fire. So when something like that happens, this fire department here and the fire department in Gatlinburg, they don't talk to each other. They're on different frequencies and things of that nature. So what they do is they open up an emergency operations center, and all the information goes into that. And you're supposed to have one person in charge, because you have to pay people overtime. So then they decided, well, instead of these communities said, well, we never had anything major, so we probably never will, and so we're not going to practice. So they didn't have anybody that was in charge of this thing. So whenever these fires kicked up, all of the fire chiefs all wanted to be in charge. There was a big ego thing, and so there's just a bunch of bickering back and forth, and they finally just kind of separated and started doing their own thing, to the point where nobody was in charge and nobody was fighting these fires as a collective. It was only 2 weeks, and a big rainstorm came by and put about 90% of the fire out. So the fire departments were able to take care of the other 10% and all the little hot spots and everything. But the damage was already done, but nobody ever came. So a lot of lawsuits. After the fires were all done, they did a study and they were able to determine that it had the Forest Service just went in and attacked the fire as soon as it was in charge of their case, dropped all charges on the employees, and first meeting, picking these stuff over, so Jacob's drop all charges on killer kids, and of course
đang đi lên núi ngắm cảnh.
trees up there, so I'll slow down.
Nhưng mà trời mưa.
They were there earlier today, but not sure if they're
5 người đi xe trước, 5 người đi xe sau.
And there should be a lookout.
Suối.
When we go through the waterford, there should be a couple lookouts that you'll be able to see out. See a lot of changes. Hopefully, if the clouds don't obscure everything, but there's a couple of lookouts there that we should be able to see. But a little bit lower elevation. We're probably going to go to the SMOKY National Park sign. We can take some pictures there.
Đẹp chưa?
So look over to the left, and the dead trees, you might see a little bit over there. Go ahead. Y'all want to take a picture by the SMOKY Mountain National Park sign?
Đang đi lên núi nha các bạn. Thấy cao chưa? Wow. Ở trên núi kìa. Đang đi lên núi
You didn't want to look? You're not scared of anything? Oh girl, wait until we go to the 4x4 park.
Những xe này nè đã tour Vin Jeep tour chở 10 người đi chơi đã lên đây bắt đầu. Đây
mưa sướng quá, mưa sướng quá. Đặt sao nắng lên rồi đó. Con trời, từ đây nè. Ra chịu giải nữa. Leo hết vô. Vô, leo lên.
các bạn.
Đi đây, quay đây.
Bây giờ đi lên núi tiếp nha các bạn. Đó.
Xe này chắc 5 người thôi.
So you know the intersection where pink Jeeps are at?
Xe chạy sau đó rồi mưa.
Traffic light right there.
Xe màu hồng cho kìa, xe màu hồng cho kìa.
Go across the
5 người và
go down
đi
Where's
xe
Valley
sau.
Road. There's a horse riding stable down Where's Valley Road, which we parked there because it's unguided. So the horses don't really get it. Right?
Cái này nè, bỏ
Yeah.
quay, bỏ bị
So did you ride them?
Nhiều không?
What's that? One lives in Florida, one lives in Virginia, and one lives in here. It is pretty good. It's good because the clouds are starting to move out. That's good. But you got to get here kind of early because even with the rain, you still got somewhat of a line right there.
Thành phố du lịch dưới thung lũng á.
steps back up.
Sao xôi lái xe nó dễ thương quá. Đây ở mấy ngày cũng được thì. Any shopping center here?
Yeah, this whole strip right there is all shopping. Shop, just a little bit.
A lot.
A lot. You're not even trying to hide that one from me. And are you gonna go shopping afterwards? I like this very good. Yeah. Yeah. It's nice.
Nhà trên núi cao đó kìa. Chưa. Trên này có building cao nữa.
Xe này có building nhiều quanh. Đây vậy đó. Họ làm việc trên đó đúng không?
Năm người đi xe phía sau. Đang đi lên núi.
Đừng có tay chim. Quay đi. Xong rồi á.
Rồi, đang ở trên núi nè. Ở trên núi để
see this little white sign here? It says very narrow, winding, one-lane road, no RVs, no trailers. And that's important because there's a guy that about 3 months ago, he drove his RV up here and he got stuck on the bridge. And they had to back all the traffic back out. I'll show you that bridge when we get to it. It's amazing. It's a long ways. You got it?
Yeah. You know, actually, I don't have the tree.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You'll see the whole ridge is
Đang
all
đi
a
trong
bunch of
rừng.
dead trees. You're going to see some really pretty colors. And it's going to be on this side. And we're not going to stop there. We're going to go through there real slow so you can take some pictures.
Yeah.
But we're going to stop at the next one. But you're going to see a lot of dead trees, but you're going to see a lot of color in it. Right up here.
Beautiful. Không, cái đó là do cháy nha. Đẹp quá anh Hòa.
Cây thung lũng hết nè.
And when we get to the other pull-out, we'll all get out.
Beautiful.
So what's your name?
I'm Kim.
Kim.
Yes, sir.
Look how steep it is over here. Get up and go over there and look. Look how steep it is. You want me to take a left-hand turn? A real sharp one? You want me to go down there?
Đây nè, cái lá này.
I might need a hand.
Xe của mấy người đi sau.
Với lại mình đi, mình cả đời mình